Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, we're going to have a closer look at the tools required for machine knitting. So let's get to it. A few accessories that you should have that do not come with the machine is a pair of scissors, as well as a few clothespins that you hang at the tail end of the yarn to create a little bit of tension so that the edge does not get caught in the carriage as you start your knitting. What does come with the machine is a 1x1 needle pusher, which is great for ribbing. You also have a latch tool, which is also used for ribbing, as well as casting on and off and picking up drop stitches. You also have a set of transfer tool. You have a 1x2, also a 1x3, and a 3x2, and they can all be used in combination on with each other if you need to move more than 3 stitches at a time. Another thing that you're going to be using are your claw weights. You hang them at the beginning of your knitting to create a little bit of tension so that the stitches don't pop out of the hooks. And they should be moved about every 20 rows. Then you have your row counter, which is triggered by the little tripper right here on the carriage going left to right. If you need to zero your counter, all you need to do is follow the direction of the arrows underneath the little knobs. Another tool that comes with the machine are the cast-on combs. The small one, 30 stitches, and the larger one, 84 stitches, for a combination of 114. In order to put them together, what you need to do is slide over the little connecting plate about halfway and insert the comb. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know by clicking on a thumbs up. And if you would like to help me grow my channel and see more of these tutorials, click on the subscribe button. Well, thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.